Good morning. Merry Christmas. Are you gonna wake up?
No.
Oh, but there's something in the living room for you.
No.
There's something new.
No.
Come on, come look.
No.
Mimi and Nana and Papa are gonna come today.
No.
Yeah, they are.
No. No. No.
Come on, walk with Mama.
No.
Look, there's something in the living room for you to play with.
No.
There is. Santa Claus came last night and left some toys for you. Do you hear? You want to see your new toys?
No.
They're cool.
No.
Mom and Daddy are going to go play with them.
No. No. No.
Oh, what is this? You usually get really happy in the mornings. Ooh. What is it? Do you want some milk?
No.
Want some candy?
No.
Snack?
No.
Breakfast?
But no. No.
No morning shots for you?
No.
Well, you had something on your You're supposed to be happy this morning. It's Christmas.
But
Huh? Lunch? Is that what you said?
no.
Out.
You want to go sit on the couch?
No.
Alright, we're going to go then. You don't want to come too?
No.
Can you say anything besides no?
No.
Daddy's going to get you.
No. No.
Uh-oh, the monster's going to get you. Where's Dee Dee? Look, Dee Dee wants to go play with your new toys. Come play, Liam. Come on, let's go play. Come on. Okay. Okay. What else are we taking? Two more Dee Dees? I'm pretty full. Lay the blanket in here. Okay. I can't really take anymore.
Come on, buddy. Hey, come here.
This is a daily occurrence.
I know.
All right, let's go. Come on. Yeah, I got him. He's right here. Oh. Well. Man. Baby, Mom can't hold anymore. Leave the pillow. Okay, that's enough.
Been to the county fair?
Looks like I've been there and won a bunch of stuff. Come on. You coming? You gotta carry that one. I can't carry it. It'll be okay. Okay, come on. Look at what you got. I'm putting all your toys on the couch. Come look. I turned the lights on the tree.
Tree.
Dee Dee's in here waiting on you. Look, I'm gonna put Dee Dee in here. He's gonna play. There he is. He's playing right now. Oh, there he is. He's like King Kong. You ready to come play with him? Look. Look at Dee Dee. Look. What is this? What are they? They're blocks. Look how cool they are. They're big blocks. Big blocks. Put it on the snack bar. There you go. Alright, come play with your blocks. Yeah, that's the box for the blocks. But they're all right here. Look, they're right here. What are you going to do with them? You want Dee Dee to sit back? Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, it fell in the middle. Can we put the blind down?
No.
Yeah, I see it. What do you do with all the rest of your block towers? I don't know who I keep thinking about. Ooh, it might fall down. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay. Here. Okay, I'll get that one. Here. I'm there now. What? Build this? I think it was over here. I think it was right there. There you go.
Yes.
Build this? Yeah. Blocks. That one's blue. You want the green one? You want the blue one? Oh, do you love it? making a movie of Christmas.
But.
Oh, you want Daddy to look at the blocks?
But.
There's something else, aren't they?
They're big.
Gigi.
Did you get Dee Dee?
Here's Dee Dee.
Gigi.
Uh-oh.
Gigi. 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 Gigi.
Big grins.
Gigi.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Gigi's.
Christmas. Can you say love you?
Baby.
Ooh. It's Godzilla. Sit. You're sitting on the block.
No.
You want to get in it? Look, you can get in it. Get in there. Get in. You're in the tower.
And he's like, build it back.